A little update for everybody. My car broke down in Sedona while my family flew out for Thanksgiving. And yeah, so my dad stayed out here with me. And we're just doing a little bit more exploring rather than sit in a hotel the whole time.
Angels smoking cigarettes on rooftops in fishnets in the morning with the moon still glowing. And here comes Jesus in an Astro van rolling down the strip again. He's stoned while Jerry plays. He said life ain't ever what it seems. These dreams are more than paper things. And it's alright mama, you're afraid I'll be poor along the way, but I don't wanna see those tears again. You know Jesus drives an Astro van. Yes, he does. I said, ooh. And in my heart there's a Holy Ghost writhing on the floor from an overdose. You know the best ones never come down. So if I love at the tip of my toes, reaching out for the great unknown, every addict has illusions. Life ain't ever what it seems. These dreams are more than paper things. And it's alright mama, you're afraid I'll be poor along the way, but I don't wanna see those tears again. You know Jesus drives an Astro van. Yes he does. They say ooh.
We just got to our trailhead.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
Bringing the dogs on a hike back in Sedona. We're stuck in Arizona, so we're gonna have some fun.
I wouldn't say stuck. We're about to go on a gorgeous hike,
Yes.
so it's just too bad that we're stuck out in Arizona for a week.
Such a bummer.
It's just too bad.
I actually hiked on this road last week with Hannah and one of my friends. So I'm showing him this one road that we actually drove down in the van. And I'll show you guys, it's pretty gnarly. All of these rocks are pretty big ridges. So getting over them was fun. Got Cora, my dad. Alright, made it to our trailhead. Gonna go to Devil's Bridge. Right, Coda? Yeah. Alright, out in the secret mountain wilderness. Almost to the bridge. Ready, Coda?
It's like really...
Alright. Alright. Well, what's down there if the trail goes up here? Going on up. Alright. Very cool. Alright, Code, we made it to the arch. Right over here. Very cool. What do you think? Online you get pictures of people walking on that. It looks very frail and old.
I'll be poor along the way, but I don't want to see those tears again. You know Jesus drives an Astro van. Yes he does. I said ooh. And in my heart there's a Holy Ghost writhing on the floor from an overdose. You know the best ones never come down. So if I love at the tip of my toes.
Alright, we had some fun out here exploring the bridge. We gotta get going before it gets too dark. So here we go, heading on back. I think we gotta go back up there. Nice. Alright, see you back at the car. Cora's got it. 3 legs and no problems. It's almost like they put a staircase. Alright. Okay, we found a cool rock formation. I'm gonna try to get my drone out and give you guys a good shot of it. That one literally has 2 cactuses on the bottom. He's trying to tie him up to a tree for a second, but everything's spiky.
Says, son, you're famous in heaven. Maybe you're famous in heaven. And maybe there is no heaven. And maybe we're all alone together now. And I don't want to see those tears again. You know Jesus drives an Astro van.
Downtown of Sedona on our way back up. You have a fun time?
I did. Great.
Awesome. Well, now I'm really dark. There you go. Well, thanks for watching.